welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana. Today I have a wig sent from Klaiyi hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So as for the specs of this wig, they sent over their ombre chestnut brown color in a Yaki straight texture. I also have it in 24 inches, and this is their 7x5 closure. I've been reviewing so many closures, you guys. I'm such a frontals girl, but this one looks pretty good, even though it's like all the way up on my forehead, but it looks good already. So let's get into this cap construction. As you guys could see, this one has more of like the upgraded features. This is their no slip cap wig, so that you're able to wear this wig unit 100% glueless, which I am doing today. It also comes with the reinforcement of those silicone bands that goes around the nape. It also has the adjustable strap that's not removable, and then also you can tighten your wig in the back and the nape area. So I prefer this way of tightening my closure wigs because it's just a little bit more comfortable, you guys. I don't really care for the really big, thick, you know, removable adjustable straps. So I'm glad that they're making the wigs like this because I usually just remove them. However, if it is a glueless closure wig unit that I have to install, I always make sure that I leave those adjustable straps in the inside because it makes it, you know, pretty secure on my head, especially if it has to be glueless, which these hair companies usually want. So anyways, today this is going to be 100% glueless. I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know, for the girls who don't really like to use products and things on their foreheads with the glues and the sprays and stuff, and you know, always having to clean their wig units, and also for the girls who like to take their wigs on and off. Now I am going in with this flat iron and just straightening in the hair because, you know, of course it was in that packaging, so it does have a bit of the crinkly end. So I do have it on its highest heat setting, you guys, just to let you know that, so it does stand heat. If you guys are wanting any of my hair products that I use in this hair video or tools, you can definitely find them in my Amazon storefront, link down in the description box. But I also want to make sure that you guys notice that this wig is more of a natural density, a thinner density, and it's about 150% density. So if you are not into thinner hair, then you would definitely have to up your density of 180%. Of course. And then also make sure that you guys are paying attention to the color placement and the ombre job on this wig unit as well, especially straightened. So I think in the next piece of footage I show you guys, you know, a standstill of the ombre job or whatever or whatnot, so that you guys could see that. However, I am going to go in and curl this hair so that you guys could see how the color looks with the hair curled. I feel like it looks better curled because you can definitely see where it is that they start the bleach job when it comes to this wig. And of course, I'm just showing you guys how this lace looks. I have used no product. You do not have to use any product on this hair at all for a nice seamless blend. So I absolutely love that. The trick to this is making sure that you tighten those adjustable straps. So yeah, I am just going in and giving myself a bit of a face layer because this hair was like really long and I need layers. I feel like wigs just look better on me layered for my face shape. So I did layer it a little bit, and then I'm just taking this T3 curling wand, this the detachable one that I'm using. It's also in my Amazon storefront, you guys. I've been using this for years at this point as well. Love it. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do. I'm just curling one side. As you guys can see, I'm curling more towards the bottom. This was of a longer wig unit, but that's pretty much it, you guys. I did spray it, and that's about it. I like how it looks curled, of course, over than the straight. But let me know what you guys think of the color job, the length, the density, the overall look, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.